sabi, in 2050, only then will it hit a plateau of sorts and maybe stay there before it goes down, or maybe it will go up again. At sa lahat po ng ating mga kasama, when I think about what we are trying to accomplish here, it could be a little bit overwhelming sometimes, no? Imagine having to feed one.
Thank you very much po, AD, for the enlightening message and for highlighting the essence of the established. 3! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Marine Scientific Research Station, DNR-12 Research Ecotourism and Aquatic Monitoring Complex. Thank you very much po to our officials. We would also like to request Senator Joy po, AD Penrosya, to stay here po for our shoveling and planting of the capsule. Mayor Salarda din po. Of Marine Science and Environmental Stewardship. The planting of this capsule is a tribute to the ceremonial shoveling. AD Maurice. Former Mayor Salarda, Penor Shalimar, and our representative from NTDU, Dr. Jose Dagap Jr. Again, a round of applause, please. That has been the ceremonial planting of capsule and shoveling.
And its council, to our Honorable Steve Chongyan Solon, to our Governor, our Mayor Nonoy Salarda, our Administrator, and of course to our Pedro Sarangani, Director, BMB, Ma'am Mariglo Rosaida Laririt, and
the Jangas University. Please help me welcome the mayor. A round of applause, please. Development in Region 12. Again, maraming